Civil danger for the state of California. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the California State Police. A set of events has occurred in the state of California within the past hour. At about 3:19 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a large explosion rocked the south part of the city of Elmore, California. 45 minutes later, at 4:04 p.m., a large pileup of vehicles occurred in downtown Elmore, California. At 4:19 p.m., an armed gunman entered a gas station on the north side of San Francisco, California. More events like this may happen, so be certain to stay tuned for further details and updates. Evacuation immediate for the city of San Francisco, California. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. At 4:26 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the armed gunman that had robbed the gas station on the north part of town had held hostages. About 4 minutes later, at 4:30 p.m., his ski mask briefly fell off. The suspect has been identified as Darwin Watterson, who was seen at both the explosion on the south side of Elmore, California, and the car pileup. His brother, Gumbo Watterson, is still missing. Darwin Watterson at 4:36 p.m. had gotten in a 2011 Chevrolet 200 with California license plate KDJY47. If you see the vehicle, call 911 or the Crime Stoppers immediately. At 4:41 p.m., he activated a bomb on the Bay Bridge. All residents in the city are advised to evacuate through the Golden Gate Bridge. All roads in San Francisco County will be closed after 6 p.m. A curfew will also be in place for all residents who decide to stay after 7 p.m.
This is an update to the civil danger warning for Los Angeles County, California. A 2012 Chevrolet 300 with California license plate GMBLL12 was located entering Glendale. At this time, the vehicle is speeding right into the city of Los Angeles, where Darwin Watterson was last seen beating people to death. Residents are advised to stay indoors. and call 911 in the event of an emergency. Darwin Watterson at this time is believed to be armed and extremely dangerous. This message will be retransmitted in 1 minute. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. The driver of the 2012 Chevrolet 300 with California license plate GMBLL12 has been identified as Darwin Watterson's brother, which was filed as missing. Gumball Watterson. At 4:58 p.m. he was seen punching Darwin Watterson. Darwin held up a gun and is holding 8 people hostage, and threatens to kill Gumball Watterson in 5 minutes, and then the rest in 10 minutes if his demands are not met. Darwin Watterson is armed and extremely dangerous. This message will be retransmitted in 2 minutes. Stay indoors and leave the telephone lines open for emergency use. Do not call 911 unless it is a life-threatening emergency.